Close your eyes or softly relax your gaze and let your breath arrive. Feel the edges of the day soften as you settle into rest for a moment. At this time, the moon is swelling with dreams and possibilities. Its light shifting with the eclipse, just like a story changing mid-sentence. This is the plot twist moment, my friend, to open doors you didn't even know existed. Welcome to your sacred pause for this Pisces full moon eclipse. Eclipses remind us that nothing stays the same. They are celestial wildcards, a pause, a shift, a reroute. Sometimes they close a chapter. Sometimes they show us a brilliant new path. Eclipses are part of our story, and this practice is to serve as a reminder to trust that Spirit knows the next pages. Your higher self knows the next pages, even if your current self cannot read them yet. You are moving through life with guidance. You are surrounded by support, seen and unseen. This is your moment to center your energy, to notice what's ready to release so that you can make room, space for more clarity. My friend, I invite you to take some spacious, deep breaths in and out. The deepest breaths you've had all day. Every inhale drawing in stability, every exhale settling the energy into your being. Breathing here is breathing with the whole universe, the moon's rhythm, the earth's heartbeat, your own pulse, all moving as one. Allow your breath to find its own sacred, natural, and steady rhythm. Notice your feet resting, letting go of any tension. Feel any subtle pulses and tingles of energy rising through your legs, softening your muscles, yet waking to a subtle warmth. Let your hips and belly relax and soften. breathe into your chest. Allow the energy here to expand outward. Allow your shoulders to drop even further. Your arms feeling heavy and rested. Energy now flowing freely from fingertips to shoulders. Release any tension in your neck and jaw. Feel that gorgeous, subtle energy flowing through your crown, radiating around you, shifting your frequency into a calm, relaxed openness. My love, what happens if you stop steering for a while and just let the current take you? This eclipse is where logic loosens, where symbols speak truth. Symbols are data. This eclipse is where spirit uses dreams as a language only you understand. This eclipse is a gift to remind you you are more than your roles and routines. Your sensitivity is your intuitive radar, helping you navigate what matters most. The unseen is always speaking. Your only job is to tune in. Remember, you have felt truths before they were spoken. You have sensed shifts before they even arrived. Let this eclipse be the tide that carries those gifts deeper into your being, rooting them in trust, anchoring them so fully into who you are. Affirm to yourself, I honor the tides of change. I know they will carry me where I am meant to go. I meet this eclipse season with a brave and open heart. I welcome the plot twists as part of my unfolding, knowing I am always collaborating with the universe in building a blessed life. Allow these words to land for you. Remember, my friend, sometimes the universe changes the script to show us a bigger story we couldn't see. Yes, even the detours are part of the journey. Sometimes spirit folds a path so you can skip ahead to where you are meant to be. Eclipses can ripple off patterns to the surface. Let them rise without judgment. They're showing you where growth lives. The surge from the eclipse may have you moving faster than you expected, but trust your soul knows how to navigate any terrain, my friend. Take a moment and feel into this sacred shift, this alignment that you have just created. Your aura vibrates alive, perceptive, infinitely expansive. Breathe here, feeling each inhalation as an integration of your gifts, your lineage, and your connection to the cosmos. Inhale the mystery. Exhale into trust. My dear, gently bring soft and subtle movement back to your physical body. Let your body stretch. Allow yourself to take some deep sighs. And very gently open your beautiful eyes, knowing that you carry the tools, the vision, and the quiet confidence to meet every change this eclipse may bring you with grounded grace. My name is Christy Ann. Thank you so much for joining me in this powerful alignment session under this Pisces full moon eclipse. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more heart-opening practices just like this.